Hey, what's up guys, it's Sal here and welcome back to my channel. Long time no video, I know. If you haven't already, please make sure you follow me on all my social media. The links will be in the description to check out all what I've been up to and all what I'm up to. I'm right here in Dubai for the Infinix Note 5 launch. I'll be checking out the phone, I'll be checking out the features, I'll be checking out all the specs, and we'll be experiencing the launch together. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So the Infinix Note 5 is the latest addition to Infinix Note lineup of devices, and it's an Android One device, which we'll talk about later in this video. The Infinix Note 5 is a 6-inch Full HD Plus display, and as far as specifics, this is a 2160 by 1080p 18:9 display with a screen to body ratio of about 85%. Also for me, those rounded corners are one of the little details I appreciate about this device, and it adds to its sleekness. A good segue from the display would be the body or design of the Note 5, and the first things you'll notice about it is how the back of the phone looks. It's such a huge fingerprint magnet, and if you want to use it that way, you have to wipe it a lot or just use a case which would hide this design. There's nothing on the top and the left side of the phone, but on the right side is where you have the hybrid SIM slot, volume rockers, and power button from top to bottom. And on the bottom of the phone is where you have the speaker grill, the charging port, microphone port, and the headphone jack. In front you have a 16 megapixel OLED camera, earpiece, and flash, and on the back of the phone you have a 12 megapixel f2.0 camera with flash and fingerprint reader. The Note 5 comes in three colors: the Berlin Grey, the Milan Black, and the Ice Blue. I like the black version, but the blue seems appealing as well. With regards to specifications, the Infinix Note 5 comes with the Helio P23 octa-core processor clocked at 2 GHz, which is also accompanied by a Mali G71 GPU system. It runs on Android 8.1 Oreo, and when I asked the head of Android partnerships for Africa, March of 2019 was the time given to expect an Android P update, so you heard it here first. In his presentation, he also talked about what opportunities Infinix has for the Android One. Basically, with Android One, you're getting closer to the same higher end territory with features like security, faster updates, and of course, no bloatware on your device. You're also taking advantage of Google's AI system, free unlimited Google photo storage, Google Lens, which we'll talk about later in the video, and a lot more. The non-removable 4500 mAh battery on the Note 5 is set to last up to 3 days, which is most likely with regards to standby. I don't think you probably use your phone for 3 days, but we'll test that much later in the next video. It also comes with a fast charger right out of the box, and you're pretty much covered. As far as I know, there are currently 2 variants of the Note 5, and it's 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage, and 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. We didn't get any information on a Note 5 Pro, but I'm just hoping that we'll get one with a stylus inbuilt. If we do, I'm hoping it pops off at the bottom of the phone and it doesn't need a bulky case like the Note 4 Pro. I didn't get to play with the cameras as much on the Note 5, but from what I could tell on the launch floor, the camera is quite sharp. The front camera was on the same boat, but all these I'll be testing in my next video of the Note 5. Straight out of the camera as well is where you can launch Google Lens, which is part of the benefits of Android One. With Google Lens, you can scan items, food or products or structures, and from there you either get a link to learn more about them or purchase that item. I'll be going more in depth on the Note 5, so please feel free to leave a comment about what you'd love to see. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so you'll be the first to know when I post a new video. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about the Infinix Note 5 in the comment section down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Let's have a conversation in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.
Alright. We are live with each other.
Yeah.
I would speak in Arabic.
Sure.
For my followers. احنا دلوقتي كل واحد فينا بيصور لايف او فيديو. هو بيصور فيديو للقناه بتاعته وانا بصور فيديو للقناه بتاعتي، وحبينا ان احنا نطلع مع بعض في نفس الفيديو.
Alright, so I'm here with Abu Omar. He's one of the big YouTubers I actually respect. He makes a lot of tech videos as well, and we're here at the Infinix launch, the Note 5 launch right here. So it's really a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you. And I was in Nigeria.
Yeah. He was actually in Nigeria for the test.
Yes, I came to Nigeria, and I hope that I can come soon.
Yeah, and I hope to come to Egypt soon.
Yeah, sure. The next time we will meet at Egypt.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Great.